Hey there, thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down step by step how you can begin using email marketing for your business or your agency in 2023. It really is an untapped service that I think a lot of people ignore because they think email is outdated, which simply just isn't the case. I offer email marketing as a service for my agency to my e-commerce clients, and we've seen some pretty awesome results. I'm confident you can see the same results in your business or your agency, but if you do go on to enjoy the video, I would really appreciate a subscribe and like. Try to provide as much free marketing content on here as possible, so stick around for a big year in 2023. Without further ado, let's get right into the presentation. So this is the email marketing process presentation that I give to my clients. Pretty much what I'm just trying to break down the benefits of email marketing for their business, and it's really broken down into three main flows. The first being customer acquisition, the second being return to cart, and the third being new customer nurture. I'm going to be breaking these down step by step, but a basic understanding of each of these is: one, customer acquisition is pretty much exactly what you think it would be. You're trying to acquire a new customer to sign up for your emails. Second is return to cart, which is basically somebody comes to your website, they put something in their cart, they leave for whatever reason, they get distracted, you would blast them with an email saying, hey, you still have something in your cart. And then the third is new customer nurture. Somebody actually, converts, they buy a product, they're a part of your business now, and you're really just wanting to nurture them to create or purchase a new product down the road, and you're sending them like a series of emails. So the first one being customer acquisition. There's really two ways you can do this. There's entrance intent and exit intent. Basically, this is for the website. So entrance intent is pretty much, whenever you go to a website, you see like a pop-up or something that's like, hey, you get 15% off when you put in your email. That is an entrance intent, something that pops up like 5 to 10 seconds, into your like store journey pretty much. And that's what you see a lot of times. And the exit intent is grabbing an email from like a return to cart or like a checkout kind of thing. So like an exit intent is, hey, before you go, put in your email, we'll send you like a 10%, 50% discount, or we'll send you like a sticker package or like something that entices them to get them to sign up. The whole point of email marketing is to get people to sign up, so you've got to give them something in return. And then this is customer acquisition through advertisements. So like I just said, incentives. Advertisement gives the viewer something they want, something like a planner, a strategy, a template, and this is just an example of something that an agency would use. So like I'm working on 75 hooks that you can sign up for, and this is really just something as simple as blasting them with a PDF that they can use for their advertisements, but they have to sign up for my newsletter first. And I'm creating an advertisement or creative that I can send out to Meta, to Instagram, TikTok, whatever it may be. And this is an example that I ran through the other day. And then the process. So the process of getting somebody to sign up from an advertisement is creating a landing page, you get their sign up, and then the email is attained. So pretty much, the landing page just wants to capture everything that you're wanting them to get at that time. So for example, if I'm sending out those 75 hooks, or maybe the incentive is 15% off discount, you're gonna wanna create a huge landing page that says, get your 15% off when you sign up for our email newsletter. And so the landing page really just has to capture what you're all about, what you want the customer to know. And then once they sign up, you can get their first name, their last name. Really the only things that are important in my opinion are the first name and the email. You can also do this for SMS marketing, so like text messages. You can get their phone number, you can get their birthday, so you can create like a birthday flow, pretty much just sending them an email when it's their birthday. Ultimately that just strengthens the customer loyalty to your brand. And then the third step here is just the email is attained. Now that the email is attained, they're a part of your newsletter, you can then send them like customer testimonials, new discounts, new plans in the future. The next flow here is return to cart. So like I mentioned earlier, this is just something where they're going to check out, they get distracted, and this is an example of an email from Huckberry where they left the store, they had a boxer briefs bundle in the checkout, and they're sending them an email. Something that's really interesting, and this is something that I've done my research on, but according to research done for the top 500 companies that do email marketing, over 29% of overall revenue is missed out if you don't implement a return to cart email flow. And this is something you could present to your clients. So like for example, let's just round this up to 30%. If somebody's making $10,000 a month from their product, from their Shopify store, whatever it may be, and they don't have a return to cart flow, that's $3,000 that they're missing out on, likely, if they have a good return to cart system in place. So that's something that you can leverage, and something that I've definitely talked about in my presentation as well. So use this same research, the same stat, because it's really shocking. That extra $3,000 can be used for further marketing. It can be used for, you know, covering somebody's rent a month, you know, something as simple as that. So pretty cool thing there. And then the last thing here is new customer nurture. So what the process of a new customer nurture looks like is pretty much a 3 to 5 email series where, and you can go more, you can go 5 to 10, but really it's just spread out to where you don't want to blast them every single day, or they're going to get annoyed with your product, they're going to get annoyed with your business, and it's just really not a good thing to annoy somebody that obviously you want to come back. So day one is send an email post-purchase, something as simple as like a thank you email, like a welcome to the family, and maybe a future discount or some sort of tangible item or action they could take advantage of. So like, for example, you know, if I'm running a, you know, a Marvel apparel store and somebody signs up for the email, or somebody purchases a t-shirt, right? I send them an email saying, thanks so much for your purchase. Welcome to the family. Here's 15% off of your next like Marvel apparel, you know, store discount, whatever. That's something that they automatically have an incentive to come back to. You know, they have that 15% off that they don't have at other, you know, Marvel apparel stores. You know, it's not a big market, it's just an example, but they have a reason to come back. Day 5 is continue to lead nurturing, and I want to preface too that these days can be different. So it doesn't have to be day 5, day 10, it can be day 15, it can be day 30, really whatever you're comfortable with in terms of spacing your emails out. But continue lead nurturing. This can be something like a testimonial, good deals coming in the future. Like if I'm, you know, let's continue with the Marvel apparel line. Let's say like, hey, it's winter right now. I've got some, you know, we've got some pretty awesome plans for the spring. You know, since you're a part of, you know, the business family, we'll send you an email where you can get early access, something like that. Day 10 is sending a call to action for a second time purchase, something along the lines of, hey, don't forget that this discount that I sent you on day 1 is going to expire soon, so make sure to, you know, take advantage of it while you can. And then include a deal for being a loyal customer. Remind them why it's good to stay loyal to your brand. So if you don't send them a discount on day 1, you can most definitely do so on day 10 in this case. So really the new customer nurture is just that. You're nurturing the new customer, giving them incentives, giving them a reason to come back. Why is it a good thing to be a part of your business? And somebody that appreciates your product is going to appreciate being nurtured in the correct way. Like I said, this all has to be taken with a grain of salt because there is such thing as a new customer nurture being done in a harmful way. Something like blasting them with an email every single day after they sign up is not a good email nurture process. So it's really something simple that you can take advantage of today. And this is something that I preach to my clients as well, where if they're not implementing email marketing because they think it's outdated, they need to start today. Whether you're a business or an agency, if you're not running email marketing in your business or agency, then you definitely need to start in 2023. If you want a video breaking down how you can do this on MailChimp specifically, I'll put a video right here. But if you want a step-by-step tutorial on other platforms, I would be more than happy. I have experience with Klaviyo, Constant Contact, and some other smaller ones. But thank you so much for sticking around. If you did, click the like and subscribe button. I appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.